Hey, third and fourth grade, Mr. Teleki here. I just wanted to show you our new natural history forum. I'm not going to show you all of it, but I'm going to highlight some features for you. So one, you can take a look in there and see where I put posts in there. See how it says my name right here, Mr. Teleki? And then I had a little thing that I wrote for you guys, and then a picture of the creature. If you click on it, it blows it up big. If you click on it again, it goes away. It's nice to be able to look at it compared to other things like this penny. So that guy's really tiny. If you click underneath a picture, you can pull up all of the comments about that picture. That's kind of handy. Take a look at this really cool post by Connor Hayton. He found something, he looked it up and identified it. It's skunk cabbage. Skunk cabbage is a really cool thing. Take a look at Connor's post and read what he wrote about it. His text is all up here, and he's even got some cool emojis in there. You can click on the picture of the skunk cabbage and look at it large, and then if you click underneath it, it'll say 2 comments, and if you click on it, it'll expand these comments, and you can see where I wrote something about it, and this new student, Tister Meliki, wrote something about it. Well, guys, I hope you like that. Talk to you soon.